with an intention to destroy this road transport sector, throw away the individual vehicle operators like e-rickshaw, auto rickshaw, taxi, and hand over to the multinational and Indian big corporate companies. That is the motto in behind throwing this industry into a serious financial crisis by the government of India. We all know that Uber and Ola, they have already captured the taxi segment. Now, one multinational bus company named Flixi has started its operation in India from different cities. So, gradually, this is going to be handed over to the big corporate companies, the transport sector. This is to all of you. I cannot speak in Malayalam, your mother tongue. Please permit me to speak in English. The Trade Union International Transport, Boards, Fisheries and Communications Asia Pacific Region meeting is going to be held tomorrow here in Thiruvananthapuram, followed by the 12th National Conference of All India Road Transport Workers Federation here itself. Together, this is a 4 days big mega event. As far as the All India Road Transport Workers Federation is concerned, we will be holding our national conference once in 3 years. The earlier conference was held in Haryana, Hisar in the year 2022. Again, this 12th conference is being held in Thiruvananthapuram. The road transport industry, not only the road transport, the transport itself is the lifeline of any economy in the world itself. Without the transport, we cannot assume the society. Such an important sector is the transport sector. In the transport sector also, the road transport plays a pivotal role in the entire transport. According to the statistical data published by the Government of India, 68% of the goods are being carried by road and more than 80% of the passengers are carried by road. This is the importance of the road transport in the entire transport segment in India. But ironically, the road transport sector now faces serious financial crisis because of the policies pursued by the Government of India. That too with an intention to destroy this road transport sector, throw away the individual vehicle operators like e-rickshaw, auto rickshaw, taxi, etc., and hand over to the multinational and Indian big corporate companies. That is the motto in behind throwing this industry into a serious financial crisis by the Government of India. We all know that Uber and Ola, they have already captured the taxi segment. Now, one multinational bus company named Flixi has started its operation in India from different cities. So, gradually, this is going to be handed over to the big corporate companies, the transport sector. This is the situation. And as far as the workers are concerned, more than 95% of the transport workers are unorganized, like auto, taxi, truck, like. They are not covered under any statutory provisions, labor laws. They don't have any social security. Very pitiable working conditions are there. So, our conference is aimed at to discuss the situation of the industry and the problems of the workers, and we will check out a program how to protect the industry and the welfare of the workers. This is the main purpose of our conference. We will discuss in the next 3 days on these issues. Simultaneously, we are of the opinion that unless and until all the unions in the road transport sector comes together on a common platform and fight for the survival of the industry and the welfare of the workers is not possible. That is why we have invited all the national federations working in the road transport sector, affiliated to AITUC, INTUC, HMS, LPF, TUCI, AICCTU, like that. So they are all accepted our invitation and they will participate in the 29th inaugural session. There, definitely in the days to come, to fight against the retrograde policies of the government, we wanted to have a national level movement unitedly with all other organizations. That what we are going to discuss in this conference. What is going to happen for the next 3 days in Thiruvananthapuram. This conference will become a milestone in the history of the road transport in India. Such a big conference is going to be held